I'm gonna make a full English breakfast cocktail. A full English breakfast into a cocktail. Stick around to see how it turns out. So we want to chill our glass, we'll get that nice and cold to begin with. So it's a shake and strain cocktail. So I'm using bourbon, which has been fat washed with bacon. Oh, it smells awesome. And there's 50 mils of that straight into the glass. This is our only liquor. So if you want to know how to fat wash, you can check out my Patreon, and I've done a little tutorial on how I got to that delicious bacon bourbon. We need 30 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Next up is the secret ingredient, which is the baked bean syrup. I've also put on my Patreon how I've made this. It's really simple, but if you want to check me out, you can go and find out the recipe and the how-to over there. 15 mils of this delicious baked bean syrup. Right, of course, you can't have an English breakfast without an egg, but we're not putting the whole egg, we're only putting the yolk. You don't want the whole part of the egg, you just want the yolk, you just want the egg flavor. Let's get that piece, boom. And of course, we need a garnish. It's a pinch of salt just to enhance those flavors a little bit. Right, let's give that a quick stir, break up that egg. As promised, I'm giving away 3 Grail Jiggers this week. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below. But if you can't wait to win, then you can go to my website, tomdyerbartender.com, where you have loads of other products available. So go and check it out. Let me know what you think. But in the meantime, let's get back to the video. Okay. Oof. Time to give it a shake. Oh yes, right. It's tasting good. We want to strain it out. We want to make sure we fine strain because we just want that smooth, silky texture. Oof. Okay, for garnish, we're just going to slip a little tomato on the side, and of course, let's not forget the toast, which is going to be our coaster. Ladies and gents, that is the full English breakfast into a cocktail. I know I don't have sausages or mushrooms, but that's for a whole nother video. If you want a bit more in-depth, like I said, about that bourbon or the baked bean syrup, check me out on Patreon. There's a link down below where you can go and find out how I made that. And if you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video, smash the like button as well. That really helps me out. Thank you very much. All right, let's give it a try. Don't be shy, give it a try. Oh. Don't knock it until you've tried it, because that is delicious. You can taste all the aspects of the cocktail. Good smell of bourbon, good smell of bacon. The egg gives it this silky texture, which just makes it really smooth and silky and delicious. The baked bean syrup is balancing it nicely with the lemon juice. And that is friggin' delightful. If you really want, you can dip the bread in the cocktail and off you go. Right, before we go any further, it is time to pick a winner from last week's video on who's going to win the Tom's Fly training bottle. Now, there is only one winner, so good luck, everybody. And the winner is Up With Guitar. What a name. Congratulations. Send me a message on Instagram and I'll get that sorted out for you as soon as possible. And good luck, everybody, this week to win one of the Grail Jiggers. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gents. I hope you like this video. Give it a try for yourself. Let me know what you think. And until next time, I'll see you then.